guys? Leverage here, and the forward back opening, pause fast, UX, SFX, if push back opening, directly forward, sphere games, first shield, back, there's not a little bit hands. And a cool card. Just the energy. Alright, you got a kit. Bottoy. Tichu. Krabby. Michino. What a catcher, what different one. Drizzle. Evolution Essence. Grookey. First of all, yo. So it's no way, 4-4 already, come on now. Bruh. So Leopard V has a health is water health of 210 health. Body Surf. Touching water energy card from your hand to this Pokemon. If you do switch it with one of your mentioned Pokemon, an Ocean Loop, put 2 water energy attached to this Pokemon into your hand. It's so cool, you can see it, see? Look at that, Lapras. So I think I got a Lapras. Pretty sure cards. Wait. Here's it. Watch this. See? A lot of cards, see? Clear. This is my fourth pull. It's the fourth pull I have. The first one was Regirock, and the second one is Sableye. And the third one was Bay Day. And this is the fourth one. Boom. See? This is so cool, the pull. So I'm going to the two, go over the two, two prison packs tomorrow morning and tomorrow midnight. That's it. That's tomorrow Saturday. Well, it's we got 2 Soraka packs left actually. Tomorrow morning, Saturday, okay, and then tomorrow, Saturday midnight when I come home. All right, see you guys tomorrow, early in the morning. Bye. Celebrations. Bye. Celebrations.